Samsung officially gave the world its first real look at the highly anticipated Galaxy Z trifold during a summit in South Korea late last month, and plenty reputable sources points to a market release before the end of the year. However, if you've been eyeing this futuristic foldable, you might want to hold off on getting too excited because supply could be extremely limited. According to latest details coming from the supply chain and shared by Korean media, Samsung has only produced somewhere between 20,000 and 30,000 units of the Galaxy Z trifold so far. That's an incredibly small number by Samsung standards, not to mention the smartphone industry as a whole. And what's even more interesting is that suppliers aren't sure whether Samsung plans to produce any more units beyond this initial batch. One supplier did, however, mention that the company could ramp up production later, but only if demand turns out to be strong enough. To put that number into perspective, even the Galaxy S25 Edge, which many have labeled as one of Samsung's weakest performers this year, sold around 650,000 units in its first month alone. Compared to that, 20,000 to 30,000 trifold units almost feels like a drop in the ocean. And if Samsung decides not to produce additional batches, this phone could easily become a collector's item, a piece of mobile tech history that only a handful of people will ever own. Of course, it's worth remembering that the Galaxy Z trifold isn't your typical flagship. It's a completely new category of device with a dual hinge design that lets it fold twice, transforming from a compact phone into a full-fledged tablet. It's also expected to be significantly more expensive than the Galaxy S25 series, and even pricier than the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which puts it in a niche market from the start. That said, Samsung is clearly being cautious here, and it makes sense. Launching a brand new form factor is risky, especially when the technology involved is so complex and costly to produce. By keeping production numbers low, Samsung can gauge real-world interest and minimize financial risk if the trifold doesn't catch on as expected. So yes, the Galaxy Z trifold is real and it's coming soon, but it may also be one of the hardest Samsung devices to actually buy. And just to be clear, everything we know right now is based on leaks and reports. Samsung hasn't officially revealed pricing, release dates, or even confirmed the final name of the device yet. But rest assured, I'm following this story closely and will keep you posted as soon as new details emerge. So consider subscribing to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.